Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of Casey Crawls. So as you know, old Sarge has got a few modifications coming. One of them, and I'll tell you, if you're familiar with the Jeep Rubicon, on the center console you've got the lockers and the sway bar disconnect, those switches. And then to the right of that, you got 4 auxiliary switches. So this is no kidding. I bought old Sarge. I guess I was excited. And when I drove off the lot, I looked down there and I realized, wow, I don't have any of those 4 auxiliary switches. So started looking on the interwebs and I came across this solution. There are plenty of other solutions. I got no affiliation with these guys. Voswitch is a box that goes under the hood, and it fits right in that cubby where those 4 auxiliary switches go. But with this one, it gives you 6 switches. So you've got a couple more options. So figured I'd do an unboxing and show you what comes in the box. And in the next episode, we'll go ahead and install this thing and start putting some lights on it, and I don't know what else. But it would be nice to have something that is kind of factory looking. So here we go. Let's see what we got in the box. All right. White styrofoam. Instructions, which is the manufacturer's interpretation of how they think it should be done. Don't need that. Let's see what's in here. Oh! Can you see that? That is the switch panel that goes where those 4 auxiliary switches go. Right? It's got an on-off button. And then it's got 6 switches that you could put different labels in there. I'll show you in a little bit. It looks pretty factory. I don't know why they give you a little cubby. Let's see. What's in here? Oh. All right. The Voswitch box. This goes under the hood, and there is a control line that goes to the switch panel, and then all your accessories under the hood wire into this switch panel. So here is the control line that goes to this, which is in the cab. We've got to figure out how to get it through the firewall. It can be a pain in the butt. Red and black must be positive, negative. Yeah, this thing, I got no idea. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. This goes to the battery. Yeah, that goes to the battery. That looks like a fuse. Again, this goes to the controller. Battery or some sort of positive, negative, and then this bracket bolts onto the body. So I'll show you in just a minute. There you go. I think that's going to do it for me. I did put the I've got some spotlight brackets that I mounted on the A-pillars. I'm waiting on my lights to come in. I did get some Rigid Industries, the 4-inch cube lights. Those will be the first set of lights that I put on this thing, and I'm waiting on my bumper. I got my winch in, waiting on my skid plate, and when I get that in, it's going to be pretty cool. So stick around, and I'll show you what kind of mods I got coming for this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 2-door in just a little bit. Appreciate you watching. Stick around. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing, the content. If you do, like, subscribe, and I'll continue to make Jeep videos. Thanks. See you on the trail.